Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold broke the level of 2400, made a high of 2417, and we can see that gold is right now standing at 2383 or around 2380. So market is showing crazy volatility. So in the morning, I saw that suddenly, messages are coming out on my WhatsApp. What happened to gold? Where is the next resistance of gold? Okay, I was surprised. Okay, what happened? So immediately it came to my mind that something must have happened. Then I checked the chart on my TradingView mobile application. I saw that gold was trading around 2405. Okay, then I remember it came to my mind that I had a buy stop at 2401 that we have been discussing. So I checked that my buy stop was triggered, and the by the time I was checking, the gold was trading around 2408 2409 area. Obviously I was not ready for this move, and then again it came to my mind that there was a resistance. I remember 2408. Okay, so but it was not a very big one, but I exited immediately because I just woke up and I was not ready for the big move. And thank God, I exited at 2409 2410 area, and after that market showed a huge downside. Okay, so we can see that gold is back to the range again. And if you're wondering what is the reason, then yes, gold source amid Middle East attacks. You can see gold climbed past 2400 per ounce on Friday, trading at record highs and on track for its fifth weekly gain as investors flock towards the safe haven driven by rising geopolitical risk in the Middle East. Israel launched a missile attack on an Iran site as a retaliation to Iran's unprecedented assault last week. So the firing of missile by Israel was the main reason why gold responded in the morning. And this is the present market condition. Okay, so again I'm repeating, I have been repeating the same stuff for last couple of days and weeks, that my dear friends, things are not very positive globally right now. So as a result, you need to be on the buy side. If you are a positional trader, if you're a swing trader, if you cannot give much time to the market, if you're a very busy person but still you want to make some money, then you don't need to be on the sell side, you need to be on the buy side only. Because of the ongoing geopolitical factors, there's a high chance that in the next few days, we will see gold around 2500 or maybe crossing 2500. Nobody knows what will happen to gold right now. Okay, and if you are hoping for a trend reversal, then we do not have any indication of a trend reversal yet. Maybe by after 2-3 weeks, if any news comes out, then we may get to see a trend reversal. But at this moment, we do not have any indication of trend reversal. So my dear friends, don't be a gambler, be a trader, respect the trend of the market and try to follow it. So let's discuss the trading opportunities for today. So our buy stop work or the buy breakout. So the next buy at breakout will come at 2418. Okay, 2418 is the next level, where we can look for a buy at breakout. Today market made a high of almost 2418. So during the day, if we see gold crossing 2418 again, we can look for a buy, because gold will be going up. Gold will be heading towards the previous high of 2430. Yes, this high. So we have a resistance around 2428 to 2432. My dear friends, this is a resistance. So if you see gold crossing this high here, you can look for a buy, but be careful around this level, because we may see strong resistance around 2428 2432 area, and we can also look for a sell around this area as well. Because if the volume of the market is not very high, if the market is not being is not driven by any new news, then there's a high chance that market will reverse from here. Okay, but if any new news comes out, then we may see gold breaking 2428 2432. But at this moment, if market continues the upside with the same market sentiment, then gold should reverse from this here. As a day trader, you can look for a sell. Okay, as a day trader, you can look for a sell of at least 80 to 100 pips. But yes, you can look for a buy around this area as well. Okay, so again I'm repeating so that you are not do not get puzzled up. You can look for a buy at breakout above 2418 area if gold breaks it, but you need to exit from your buy position at 2428, 2432 because this is a resistance. And today is Friday, Monday mornings and Friday evenings can be dangerous, so be careful. And if gold reverses from 2428, 2432 area, then you can look for a sell. But again, you need to be careful because market is very sensitive to news right now. If any new news comes out that Iran has fired some missiles, then we may see gold breaking 2428 2432 area. Okay, in that case you don't need to exit, but at this moment, okay, in this present market situation, we can expect that as a day trader we may find some selling opportunity around this area. Clear? Okay. And as we have already discussed in our previous videos that the range of gold, okay, best support of gold is around 2300. So the support of 2300 is still very much valid, but the problem is that the level is far away. So as a immediate support, okay, we can look for immediate support around 2350 to 2355, the yellow box on the screen here. So in case gold drops and if it shows heavy selling, you can look for a bounce around this area 24505000. These are round number psychological levels. Along with that, we have also seen previous price rejection around this area, so we can definitely expect some bounce from here. Okay, but as we can see right now that gold is already showing some price rejection at this moment. Okay, it is very difficult to tell in which direction the market will move. Okay, and as we all know, and especially if you have been trading for a couple of months to couple of years, you must know that nobody can predict the market. Okay, but with practice, with fundamental and technical analysis, okay, we can expect the market to behave on certain levels, and if market behaves according to expectation, then we can look for some positions. Okay, so stop predicting the market, try to react. So before this big level here, we can also look for some support, some bounce as a day trader around 2370 or 2371. Okay, around this area, because here we will not be we not only have, okay, the previous strong price rejection around this area, but you can also see the 200 moving average coming up. Okay, and if we draw FIBO here, you can see we also have some sort of support around from FIBO 78.6% retracement level as well. And if I stretch the FIBO, then also we can see that we have a support around this area. So around 2370 we can expect the market to bounce. If not a complete trend reversal or a big bounce of 300-400 pips, at least we can bounce up, bounce 60 to 100 pips from this area here. So 2370 seems to be a good level for day traders right now. But yes, you also need to observe the volume or the size of the candles here, because no level is permanent in the market, but our capital is limited. So we also need to keep in mind that capital protection is our first priority. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, so that you are not puzzled up. So market showed heavy bullishness, but again we can see market is coming down almost on the same speed. So right now it is very difficult to tell in which direction the market will be moving. So it's better to trade from level to level only. So if market breaks 2418 area, we can look for a buy at breakout. But yes, we have an immediate resistance around 2432 area, so we can also look for a sell there as well. But we need to keep in touch with the news. Market has been very sensitive to news. If a new news comes out, if a new crisis comes out, then obviously market will break everything, and you only need to follow the trend of the market. And if the market drops, then yes, we can look for a buy around 2350 2355 area. This is the best support on the chart of goal right now, but this level is also far away, so we can look for immediate support as a day trader around 2370 area because of multiple reasons like previous price rejection, Fibonacci, and also 200 moving average, 2370, 236768 area. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. My dear friends, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Sometimes we think the market is so volatile, let's go for some big level, so big lot size and make some money quickly. But keep in mind, the market may also reverse very quickly and you may be trapped. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Please try to follow the trend of the market. Geopolitics is that driving the market right now. So yes, be careful. Bye bye. Take care.